In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a free Google account to Make.com. This process can open up a world of automation possibilities, whether you're organizing data in Google Sheets, managing emails through Gmail, using Google Drive, or organizing events with Google Calendar. The good news is that Make.com allows the integration of free Google accounts, not just the paid ones, making it accessible to anyone ready to automate workflows. Let's start the journey by logging into Make.com. Head over to the website. If you've already got a Make.com account, simply sign in. If not, take a moment to create an account. It's quick and straightforward. Once you're logged in, you're ready to dive into creating or opening a scenario. This is essentially the playground where your automation tasks will live and breathe. Now, click on the option to create a new scenario, or if you prefer, you could open up an existing one that you've worked on before. Then, look for the plus button to add a module, which will act as a building block for your scenario. The next step is to decide on which Google